So, Noligent here in the Redneck Riviera, and we're going to sample the Redneck Riviera whiskey combo. Welcome to Noligent. Let the good times roll. So, we have our 2020 survival kit from Redneck Riviera Whiskey. It says, whether you're a Democrat, Republican, or Independent, one thing's for sure in 2020, you're gonna need a drink. So, this is my pal, Major here, that lives in the Redneck Riviera. So we're gonna be sampling this whiskey. So, in this box, we have our Redneck Riviera whiskey and Granny's Rich Reserve. So, it's called, I'm proud to offer you not only a bottle of Redneck Riviera American Blended Whiskey, but a bonus bottle of the super smooth and world-renowned Granny Rich Reserve. It's time to shut up about politics and find some common ground with a glass of Redneck Riviera whiskey. God bless America, and it is the 4th of July today, so let's try this stuff out.
Looking forward to it.
All right, Major, should we start with the bad stuff first and then go to the good stuff, or do you want to start with the good stuff and then go to the bad stuff?
Well, I always like bad news first, so let's do the bad news.
All right.
All right. So.
Oh, I got some plastic on here. Let's see. All right, we need a tool. All right, thankfully I have a tool. All right. We were both, well, I was in the Army. He, has some slight military experience himself.
Slight.
He's secret. We can't talk about it. It's very secret.
Poor planning on your part, though, Noligent, for not having that removed ahead of time.
It was unboxing, so there we go. It was a virgin package. Oh, there we go. A cork. Oh, an actual glass bottle. So there we go. When you pour me some, it's bad luck to pour your own.
Okay, here we go. How's that?
That's all good. Okay, so sampling the Redneck Riviera whiskey to begin with. Cheers.
Cheers.
Pretty neutral smell. I'm not getting too many hints of anything.
It's not very dry. It's wet. It's good.
It's very smooth. We probably should add a drop of water. So let's see. We'll let it sit for a little while, aerate.
Hardly any after. Oh, I didn't wait. I just went ahead and drank it.
We'll give you a little more. Bring it over here.
If you insist, just a bit.
Just a bit, just a tad. All right, let's go get a little water and add some water to it. See if that brings out the flavor.
So Noligent, I think I've been played. I drank my shot and you sipped yours. So what did I miss there in the instructions?
We're sampling to begin with.
Oh, I see.
So let's see. Sometimes a little drop of water can bring out extra flavor and scents. Okay, there's a little drop.
So
okay, here we go
sipping,
again.
Or are we drinking it? Or what are we doing?
We're gonna sniff it first. You gotta give it a little sniff.
Well, I did. I sniffed it and then I drank it.
Okay, so the water brings out a little more vanilla profiles, as most people say. That's just the oak cask they aged this in, which would be expected. You
know what?
Okay.
I have to agree. The water, it actually tastes a lot smoother.
It does bring out a little more. So just a little
does.
drop of water can make a big difference. Or just, some ice, a little ice on top of it. All right, well, let's take it down.
Okay.
Cheers again.
Cheers.
Very nice. All right, let's rinse the glass out and make sure we
Thank you.
purify before we try the fancier one they claim to have. Okay, Granny's Rich Reserve. I'm a little concerned though, because this one came in a plastic bottle. The regular Redneck Riviera is in a glass bottle, so if this is supposed to be better, why did they put it in plastic?
And it has a fancier top too.
Yeah, see, all plastic top. The other one has a cork top. I don't know if Granny is fancier in the end.
You want me to pour yours?
Sure.
Oh yeah. That was bad luck.
We had to test you to see if you caught me in time. Safety first. All right, let's give it a sniff. I get a lot more heat. Feels like heat to it. A little more heat.
I thought it was just me. I thought maybe just left it in the sun or something.
Who knows? That could have been it. Still very smooth. Let's add a little drop of water and see what happens with that. Safety first. Cheers.
Cheers.
That one is still pretty much the same with the water as it was without. I'm not tasting much difference. I mean, it's very smooth. I'm just not getting a whole lot of anything at all. I mean, it's so neutral that it really doesn't have a lot of flavor profile at all that I can really.
It has more of an aftertaste, but not much flavor.
Sometimes, like the more you breathe it and kind of let it sit, it'll like slowly come up, and you'll get a little flavors after. So we'll see what happens here. Let me finish mine. I feel a little more in the back of the throat now, certainly.
I feel nothing. Of course, my lips are still numb from it. You know.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
You're still.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's try doing some different mixtures now and see how that works out. Okay, I figure we will try a little mixed drink style. So, got a little bit of mint and a little bit of pomegranate juice. So we'll do a sort of knockoff on a little different mixed drink, mojito slash delicious mint. I don't have a muddler though, so we're just gonna have to tear this up. No muddler in the house. We might have to buy Major here a muddler. Get his full bar stocked.
We don't allow muddlers.
So, mojito slash mint julep slash tropical tasty delicious drink. Redneck Riviera style. All right, so we'll put a little pomegranate and a little of our lime Perrier in there with it. And we'll just use the regular Redneck Riviera whiskey for this.
Seems like a lot of work for a drink. I guess it's worth it in the end.
Well, we'll see how it tastes. That could be terrible. I don't know. Maybe it'll be awful. Probably should put ice in it too, but oh well, you know. We will see. We will see. And we don't even have a shaker. Yay! So let's see. James Bond style. Stirred, not shaken, right? Except James Bond likes it shaken, not stirred, but we will do what we can with this. All right.
Appreciate that.
All right.
Are you ready?
Give me a little pour.
There you go.
All right, here we go.
All right, cheers.
It's very smooth,
Very tasty.
very easy to drink, very tropical. Need some more leaves in here though, you know, get all many fresh breath.
Very tasty. Very tasty.
Very tasty, delicious. You might
Very
drink more of
tasty
it.
and delicious. Yeah.
You know, we put a little ice in here. I think it would be a decent cocktail. I think females could enjoy this. The females would definitely enjoy some of this. I think,
All the
too.
tough aftertaste of the whiskey is gone.
So smoothed away.
Yeah, very smooth away. Very smooth. Very tasty.
So, being that you live here in the Red Neck Riviera, would you say that this whiskey and this drink ranks up there as worthy of the Red Neck Riviera?
It is very worthy. To me, it is beyond the Bushwhacker. I think now. I think it's that good.
Whoa, those are mighty strong words.
It is.
Floribama might have something to say about
Yes,
that.
I would say though it's the taste of it it goes above the Bushwhacker in some circles. I believe it would.
Wow,
I believe it
so
would.
those are mighty strong words. So, you heard it from Major here first, and he is the Red Neck Riviera resident. So, we will see how that goes. So, thanks for watching. We'll see how this works out. And hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up to get more content from New Orleans, the Red Neck Riviera, and all around the world. And we might see this crazy guy in a few more videos. We might drag him along to some of our adventures out there. I don't know. You think he'll be allowed to go? We'll see.
I have to ask permission. We'll
Yeah,
see.
he has to have permission. We'll see. We'll see. He has special missions ahead. He's very busy. Lots of missions. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you would just click on the little circle here with a picture of my head in there and subscribe to the NOLA Jet channel, it would really help me a lot. I really appreciate it. Thank you.